Can you guess the names of these 10 sea animals? Ready? Let's go. Number 1. What is this?
Dolphin.
Patois. Dolphin.
Dolphins are very smart. They can learn tricks and solve problems.
Can you guess this?
Octopus.
Patois. Octopus.
Octopus have 8 legs. Wow!
What is this?
Sea turtle.
Patois. Sea turtle.
Sea turtle follow the moon to reach the ocean. Wow, that's like magic.
Next one. Can you guess this animal?
Shark.
That's right.
Baby sharks are called pups. Sharks don't sleep like humans. They take tiny rest breaks while moving.
What is this?
Butterflyfish.
Patois. Butterflyfish.
Butterflyfish has fake eye on their tail to trick predators. Wow!
What is this?
Jellyfish.
Patois.
Jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have a brain, but they can still move and catch food. Ooh, now that is smart.
Can you guess this animal?
Catfish.
Patois. Catfish.
Catfish have long whiskers that help them find food. Wow!
What's this animal?
Sea lion.
Patois. Sea lion.
Sea lions love to spin, flip, and play in the waves. Do you love to play?
Can you guess this animal?
Moorish idol.
Patois. Moorish idol.
Their long top fin helps them look bigger to scare predators.
Look! What is this?
Lobster.
Patois. Lobster.
Lobsters swim backwards super fast. Wow! That was so much fun.
You did well guessing sea animals today. What good! And join me again next time. Don't forget to subscribe.